A few years ago, I used to sell these handmade frames on Etsy, right? And people were paying over $200 for them. I kid you not. There's a silent auction coming up, and I want to create a cozy coffee themed gift basket using some of my DIY pieces and some vintage items. So let's go shopping. Let's go to Home Goods. Let's go to Antique Store, the Thrift Store, Pottery Barn, and let's see what we can find. So we all know Home Goods is the place to go for baskets. I didn't want a cheap plastic one. I wanted one out of raffia, natural woven materials, and I love the scallop design. They also had a lot of cute artwork, pottery, just cute little Portugal worldly folklore designs, which I thought were super cute. I had to stop myself from buying anything because, as you know, my money is tied up in land right now, but I love those napkins. But they're almost too cute and delicate to use with that little lavender tulip, super cute. Then I went into Pottery Barn. Look at that heart stool or table. It was so cute, but it was faux travertine. I don't really like faux stone. Guys, I'm starting to see a lot of repetition out there, but this was by Love Shack Fancy. They have a little dinnerware set, which I thought was cute. So now is the fun part. Let's go antiquing. Let's go thrifting. This place is called Eclectic House. This one, 34. That's so cute for the bunnies. And look at this. This is kind of funky and cool. Yeah, it's kind of cool. How much is it? 85. Too much. Oh, look at the red. $500 for this cabinet. They have all the colors. You have the swans. Look at the etagere. Pretty. I wonder how much it is. My mom used to have this picture. I think she did. Oh, that vase. I think I wanted to get it. Let's see how much it is. $250. I love it. Look at these nesting tables. Perfectly preserved perfumes. Look. They have the little boxes. All vintage. Look at that bath powder. This, like, for a candle, if you want a little texture. All these vintage cards. I feel like a vintage card set is perfect for, like, the coffee basket. How cute is this? Look. 1940s picture. Made art. Look at all this little blue stuff. It's cute. Look. I love the colors. You see how it has like the blues on the frame, bluish silver? That's kind of like how when I created this, I added the bluish silver so I could like, I knew I had recognized the bluish silver color from somewhere. I'm not too crazy about the frame. This is the back. I mean, this is a legit handmade frame. It would even be cute to like use this side, you know? Like if the picture was in front. Okay, so I got this. That was $50. Then the other vintage item I got was this. Now I have some areas in my home which I want to like put like a candle. Look, this is the base and this is the top. Just imagine how pretty this will look with the candle flickering. A minimal home and you want to add just a little texture. This is it. Oh, and then to go in the gift basket that we're creating, I got this. Look, a whole set of handmade cards. Everyone is different. Like, obviously somebody passed away and this was in their repertoire. Logan. Then I got, for the gift basket, honeycomb sugar cubes from William and Sonoma. I got this frame. Now, I don't know if I want to keep this frame for myself or put in the gift basket. I'm really into silver lately, mixing metals. Look how cute this is. So I got queen sheets, and each pillowcase has this little flange, which I think is super cute, and it has like the striped design. So I got that. I'm gonna make the basket. This is for a silent auction, and I needed it to be something that someone's wants to bid on. You know what I'm saying? So I got this basket, and I loved the scallops, right? Just a touch of white. And then inside the gift basket, I got a French press. Now the thing about this French press is that it has a filter on top, so you don't need like a 3-step method. You put it in here, you push down the French press and pour. So that's gonna go in the basket. Then I got from Williams Sonoma, so we're gonna arrange that. And then this is super cute, you guys. I thought this was perfect for the basket. Look at this coffee mug. It is huge, right? Okay guys, here are all the goodies. We are gonna make this basket, and I'm not even gonna lie, this project took me to hell and back. It was so hard to stack everything in an aesthetic way. Let me know what you think. I do have the cellophane wrapping bag to put around it. I just don't have a ribbon. But we've got our baking cups, our French press, our B-shaped sugar cubes, our napkins from Williams and Sonoma, some little cookies, and the greeting cards. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.